What's up, guys? Thank you so much for 100 subscribers. Actually, I'm so happy for that. And I am playing. I'm also playing Iron Bird. I paid that's a lot of money, but I bought this, and I'm gonna go flying now. My God. Hey, bro. Well done. Okay, let's start with the city overview. Reach the highest point. Okay. I'm going to go reach the highest point. Oh my God, look at that bunny! Oh my God, I'm so rich. We're going to go flying! Oh my God. Yo, watch me twirl this thing, bro. Oh, shit. Wait, hold on, wait. Does it stick on walls? Oh man, you're no fun. Twirl, twirl, twirl. Okay, I got $500. I can buy dynamite. Give me that. How you buy it? Oh, I got dynamite, guys. Oh my God, this thing's big.
Attention citizens. The mayor speaks shortly in the central square. Attendance is strongly encouraged.
Oh, get out! Woo! I was down to do that. I'm gonna leave this here. Give me that. Okay. Technical nuke and bomb!
Enforcement light. In 30 seconds, the speech begins.
I think I'm playing GTA.
All citizens to the square. Shoelaces cooperating.
I can fly! Because I'm just smart as that. I'm gonna do something with it. Oh shoot. Up me! I'm going to come and stop you!
Stride as smooth as a playlist.
Bro, what type of haircut is that,
Tardiness.
bro? Oh, play GTA! Hiding in a pipe.
He's gone. Break contact.
No one never knew I was. Whee! Why are you?
Air Goblin, be gone.
I do nothing. I do nothing. They were bullying my friend. Hey, bro. Thank God you're alive. Bye, fly, fly. Yeah. I want more money because I'm broke like I want to shot at, that's my weapon. Oh my God, is that a rocket launcher?
Threat minimal! Back to normal!
Let's go. Wait, what should I buy next? I'm gonna buy that. if I get it. Okay. See ya, guys. Ooh. Give my little knife back. Give it back. Alright, what? Great job. Yeah, I know. Go to the oldest burgers. I need to save my friend first. Hold on, wait.
Back up. Give him air.
Oh my god, I'm going to hell. You're welcome. Okay.
Good company.
Oh my god, I'm so rich. See ya. Ooh, money. And a gun. Oh my god.
Get down.
Hey, get out.
Shoot.
Get out the box. Get out of here.
Shoot harder.
They're coming in with the blickies. I don't like this.
Area quiet. Return to route.
Wait, hold on.
Right, on the target now.
He shot me! He's shooting me!
Take a shot.
He's shooting me! That's illegal! I'm a bird! I'm a bird so I can fly. And that's what birds do. Oh my god!
Airman Sky.
Why I'm a bird. I'm a bird. I'm a bird.
Threat minimal, back to normal.
I had to drop my knife. I feel bad. Oh, let's go. 750. Oh my god! Time to practice flying skills. Fly through a container. What container? That's it. Oh my god! Oh my god, look at my money! Ouch. Back on the way. Okay, I have like that much money and I can almost buy stuff. But I think what I need to buy this one. Bro, give me that! You're not nice. Okay. Ring. Hold on, wait, hold on. I just got a good idea. Wait, I need to go outside and reload. No one gonna get exploded.
Routes overhead.
Yeah, I hit you. Oh, I bet that hurt, bro. No. Don't run. Get over here. Oh my god. I'm sorry, mister, but, I'm thinking you would be. Sure. I'm going to drop you down. Oh my. That sucks. Get me out of here. I'm going
Cancel chase.
This
Wait.
way.
Ooh, God.
Keep moving.
Ooh,
Dodging
my
puddles
nose,
like
my
plot
nose.
twists.
Steady steps.
Why are there
Side
so
streets
many
look
of them?
tempting.
Shift right. Get out, get out, get out, get out. No, 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 no. Who are you? Why are you What the?
He's Burrow. Leave it.
Why would y'all want to kill him anyway? Okay. Ring. Ring. For some reason, I am.
We got outbirded. Again.
I'm going to buy a juggernaut. What is this? I'm gonna buy a rocket launcher when I can. That's a lot of money. Okay. What? Covered in the high zone. Where? I just been spotted out of nowhere. Where's the high zone? Anyone? Do it to load in money.
Negative contact. Disengage.
Okay. Ring. Ring. Oh, let's go. I didn't really in for the sunset, but whatever he said. Oh my god! I got the gun! You stay up. Ha, I shot him. I can shoot from far. I did. Ah, you think it because you don't have a trigger like me? Yeah. You are my enemy. Ow. You let me get money. Get out. Give me your money. Bro.
Beat, do your thing. Rain, scream later.
Oh no, engage. My god! Help me. Driver, get out. Money, money, I'm just rich like that, bro.
Windows.
Give me that money. Oh my god, I'm
Shuttle's
rich!
keeping up.
Ice on.
I'm
Window reflector. Shoelaces behaving. Good omen.
got the sticky like that. What's up? What's up? I already got 4 cars! Gotta be inside! Ah, you can't get me in here because you're so stupid! You are stupid! What is this? Starter pack? Oh, that's what it does!
All units, reset search.
I need a sniper. I'm broke like that. I don't want that. You don't want that. I love gunplay. Me too. How much? Like, you never say how much.
Lost. Follow the smell of bread and chaos.
Feet vote for one more block.
I'm pooping on work because I have it. It's my job to do that. No. Let me do my job! Ah, I have 2 stars like GTA 5! I'm coming to get you and you are attacking you.
Stay still, poke, haha.
Alright,
Return to sender.
Me will help you, best friend. Okay. Now let's take you somewhere else, kitty dog. Yeah. I don't know. Is that one or is that Hero? Oh, it's Hero! It's Hero. Oh, man. Oh!
He's gone. Break contact.
Okay. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Ring, ring, ring. Ring. Wait a minute. I'm holding it wrong. What the? There you go. I'm rich! I have shotgun! I feel the bee. Get out of my face! Get out! You too. I don't like you. Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. Wow. How did you not die?
Scatter now.
Incoming!
Get out, get out, get out. Run for your life. I will steal your money. Oh my god. Oh my god. What happened to the truck?
Safe.
Get for shooting. Guilty. Sorry.
Stay low, stay low.
This is a country where they don't like me. Why are they shooting me? Who's shooting me? I know y'all are. I'm going flying. One of them actually shoots me. I will freak out. Oh, there's a sniper. I see snipers.
Everybody down now!
No! Oh my god, I just woke up from my misery nightmare. How am I alive? That was a nightmare. They still got money on the ground. No money. They don't really need that money.
Some of my shoulders, fine.
Countdown. 30 seconds. Report to the main square and silence your rebellious snacks.
I am smart. Ring. Cheap, bop, boom, cheap. Shoot down the drone.
Ongoing. Address
Alright,
in
bet.
progress.
I'll go shoot down those drones, bro.
Report to the main square.
Ring.
Purposeful.
Give me that. Ring. How much? Sorry about this, bro. Not sorry at the same time. I got 4 stars already! Whoa! Oh my god! Hi, he shoot me! He shoot me because he's mad. He's mad. Baby, calm down. Calm down. I did my mission. Show no respect. Poop on the statue. Alright, bet. Ring. Me is going to do that because I know so respect. I'm not breaking that. Let me know. Grab me.
Against my will.
Clear the way.
I got you, son. You're not my son. Wait, what's up, my son?
Fire.
Are you my son?
Threat active. Lethal force authorized.
Anyway, get out of here. Ring. Son, is that you? Never mind, you're not my son. Get out.
light hits different.
What? Okay, then.
That snooze button is aggressive.
You shut up. No. Get out.
This, a tactical yeet.
A tactical what?
Okay,
Oh, shoot. Oh,
turn to squad.
Return fire. Keep
It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. Oh, man, I can't grab the scooter. That sucks. Wait a minute. I have got two.
Says hello. Turn soon.
Okay, I think I should get out of here. Man, I sure do love the blink. Get out of here.
Area quiet. Return to route.
Oh my god. I'm rich, probably. Oh my god, I'm rich. I'm not gonna get the simple one. I'm gonna get the one. One. Man, you know. Oh wait, there's money on the ground. Hold on, wait. I forgot about that. Yeah, give me that money.
Rude.
Head clear.
Holy crap,
No rush.
Next corner decides the block.
Oh yeah, give me that money.
My map is fire.
Get out! Oh, that was the name of my phone.
Away.
I'm gonna jump. Oh no, you think I'm gonna dip that fast? See what happens when you let me jump down the house. That's sad. Get out of here. Oh my god.
City Hum fits next door.
Get out of here.
Drive to horizontal east. Camden, you win.
Wheels down. Hurries up.
Ring. Oh, you want to the people? Okay, okay. I'll. Oh wait, no.
Pete, do your thing. Rain, scream later. Keep running. Don't stop.
That wasn't me. Totally. Get out of my way. Anyway, I got 2,000.
Calling it, this pigeon's a magician.
Oh, I got landmine. Hold on, wait. I'm gonna place a landmine everywhere.
Board's quiet. Just the wheels singing. Easy turn.
Red and chaos.
Hey, yeah. Back up. Back up.
Return fire. Keep cover.
Not rushing, just going.
Get out. Ridiculous, my friend.
Right here.
I'm sorry.
Give him
I
space.
get out of
Give
my
him
right
space.
now.
Gravity sensor.
Don't you have a vest, though? That's a sign. I thought that was. Yeah.
Lost the trail. Regroup.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Bomb inbound! Dude, what's in me now, guys?
Here we go. This one's for my guys. Put him on the side. Here.
Window. Wait for window.
I'll go, bro! Whee! No way, one person just said something.
Coolmate, Stein Daisy.
Floppy. That wasn't me! Drop it in.
Try it cold. Wrap it up.
Time for chaos! Push the cart downhill! Remove the cart support! Okay, where's the cart?
As you were. Clear path.
Hurry but not hurry.
You are not gonna catch this.
Leave it open.
I'm coming for you, Mr. How do you hit him?
Attitude adjustment.
Priya. Oh yeah. Go. Go. 30 seconds like that. Go here. $2,000. You know what? I'll stay. Bad. Gotcha. Yeah. Ringing. How I just shit.
This back.
Enough!
Who just tried to hit me? That's right. That's true. That's true. And that's
Real. Said thing.
Ron, you stuck or something? Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here.
Search ends here. Fall back.
Ring. Okay. Heater. Okay. Okay, me follow you. Oh my god! Oh my god! Did I miss a trap? Three. Oh my god. I'm doing it! Oh my god. I'm doing it! I'm doing it! Bro! I'm doing it! Where is it? I squeeze.
Directive. Report to the main square for the mayor's address. Bring your best listening face.
He's gonna teleport back. Yep, I knew it. Yo, you good? What do we ever see him? How you die? Get over here! Get out of here. You do, Biggie! I blocked it.
tucked away, move on.
Why are they still hit? Totally, there's not a bomb. That wasn't me!
Run! Run! Down! Get down!
I am him! Go, Joe. Get out! Get out! I'm awesome! I'm just kidding. Awesome! Oh, wait, I'm gonna put a possess on somebody. I'm awesome! You like speed? Yes, sir. How about a little ride? What do you mean? I'll ride on top of the car for 15 seconds. Okay. Not faster than me, but they're not that fast. God. Open the top. Should open the top. Oh, okay. Yeah. That's right. There are many. Oh, there. Oh, a cell phone. I need to call my phone. Hold on. Ring, 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 ring. Oh, shoot! That was an accident, man. I'm the best sniper. Oh my god. I got him! He was stuck, okay, like. Okay, get out of my face. You can try throwing I can snipe you, Daddy Blood!
Deny airspace.
I could have hit that. This is no fair. I'm getting angry. Try that again. Hold on, wait. I'm trying to no-scope somebody. Wait, hold on. I need to knock down a drone or something. Sucks.
Directive. Team
Yeah, walk away. Oh my god. That was not my problem.
Search ends here. Fall back.
Oh, got them! And he's falling. Yeah, I see him. Get no scope! I'm getting sniped! I'm leaving everything! 360!
Stay down.
Oh, what? What? This game's gay. It's gay. It's gay. It's gay. I could've hit that! But it said, Y'all saw me hit that, right? No. This game is gay. Not enough money. I even tried to buy that. Hold on, wait. What's this? Wait. I'm gonna do one more snipe and then that's it. I'm gonna do it on the drone instead since they're moving. 360, no scope! 360, no scope! I hit that! 360, no scope! Huh? 360, no scope! Oh my god, I actually hit that! that's it for today's video. Hope you had a blast watching. And also click the like button or anything that can help me. Yeah, and that's it for today's video. I'll see y'all on the next video. Hey, get over here.
Ordered.
Straight. Bye. Oh,